Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Got your Dasher Direct virtual card and wondering how to pay for gas without the physical one? The quick guide will show you exactly how to use it at gas station with or without a card in hand. So let's get into it. First open Dash Direct app and find your virtual card. Tap on option, add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay, follow the prompts to verify and connect the card to your wallet. Now next, head to a gas station that supports contactless payment. Most major chains do look for the tap to pay icon at the pump. At the pump, select your fuel grade. When it's time to pay, hold your phone near the contactless reader. Your Apple Pay or Google Pay will prompt for Face ID, fingerprint, or passcode. Once verified, payment will go through using your Dasher Direct virtual card. As soon as you pay, your gas purchase earns you 2% cashback, automatically deposited into your Dash Direct balance. No recipients, no extra steps. Now, if you can tap at the pump, go inside and ask the pay with your phone, or use the gas station app and link your Dash Direct card inside the app wallet. And that's how you will fill up using just your Dash Direct virtual card. Quick, easy, and still earning and the cashback. Like if this helped, drop questions in this comment. Subscribe for more Dash Direct tips.